Welcome to our journey through the intriguing world of physics. It's a tale of human curiosity, a quest for understanding the fundamental laws that govern our universe. As we navigate this journey, we'll explore key inventions and breakthroughs that have revolutionized our lives. Imagine our world without the light bulb, a marvel of invention by Thomas Edison, or consider the radio, a brainchild of Guglielmo Marconi. What about the laser, a device that has found applications from cutting-edge surgery to the supermarket checkout, thanks to the genius of Theodore H. Maiman? And let's not forget the transistor, an invention by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley, which ushered in the age of modern electronics. These are but a few glimpses of the fascinating world of physics and its profound impact on our lives. As we journey through this video, we'll dive deeper into the stories of these inventions, the people behind them, and the principles that make them work. We'll start with a force that's quite literally at our fingertips, one that powers our world in ways you might not expect: the force of magnetism. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the captivating world of physics, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the impossible, possible. Stay tuned as we commence our journey with the magnets and the motors. Ever wondered how the force that sticks your fridge magnets plays a significant role in our lives? It's all thanks to two remarkable men of the 19th century, Michael Faraday and James Clerk Maxwell. These two pioneers ventured into the invisible world of forces and fields, laying the foundation of our understanding of electricity and magnetism. Faraday, a self-taught scientist, made groundbreaking discoveries about electric currents and magnetic fields. On the other hand, Maxwell, a mathematical physicist, took Faraday's experimental observations and translated them into a set of equations that precisely describe how electricity and magnetism interact. Today, their work powers our world, from the generation of electricity that lights up our homes and cities, to the motors that drive our vehicles, and even the myriad of electronic devices we can't seem to live without. Without their electrifying discoveries, our world would look quite different, wouldn't it? Imagine if you could warp time and space. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet this concept is at the heart of one of the most significant breakthroughs in physics: Einstein's theories of special and general relativity. These theories might sound daunting, but they're part of our everyday lives. Special relativity tells us that the laws of physics remain the same regardless of how fast you're moving. This is crucial for GPS technology, ensuring that your location is accurately tracked no matter how fast you're traveling. General relativity, on the other hand, gives us a new perspective on gravity. It's not just a force pulling objects together, but a warping of space and time caused by mass and energy. This effect, known as time dilation, also needs to be accounted for in GPS systems. So the next time you use your GPS, remember, you have Einstein to thank for not getting lost. What if I told you reality at its smallest scale behaves nothing like what we're used to? Welcome to the realm of quantum mechanics, a world where particles can exist in multiple places at the same time, and cats can be both alive and dead until you check. This mind-bending theory was developed in the early 20th century by a group of brilliant physicists, including Max Planck, Niels Bohr, and Werner Heisenberg. Planck kicked things off by proposing that energy is quantized, meaning it comes in discrete amounts. Then Bohr expanded upon this by introducing the concept of atomic energy levels. Heisenberg, on the other hand, threw us into a world of uncertainty, literally, with his famous uncertainty principle. Now you might be thinking, that's all fascinating, but what does it mean for me? Well, without quantum mechanics, we wouldn't have the semiconductors and transistors that power your computers, smartphones, and pretty much all electronic devices. So, the next time you send a text or watch a video, remember that you're enjoying the fruits of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics, making sense of the nonsensical and powering our digital age. Have you ever pondered what makes up the world around us down to the smallest particles? Well, a man named Ernest Rutherford did, and his curiosity changed the world. Rutherford, a physicist in the early 20th century, was fascinated by the structure of the atom. His groundbreaking experiments led him to discover that atoms are not just tiny, indivisible particles, but complex structures with a nucleus at the center, surrounded by a cloud of electrons. This was a monumental leap in our understanding of the atom, And it opened the door to a new form of energy, nuclear energy. Today we harness the power of the atom in nuclear power plants, generating electricity to light up our cities. But that's not all. Rutherford's work also paved the way for medical applications, such as radiation therapy and diagnostic imaging, where nuclear energy helps diagnose and treat diseases. From the tiny atom, we've harnessed mighty power, illuminating our world and healing our bodies. What if I told you the future is already here? A future etched by the brilliance of lasers, pulsating through our communication networks and guiding precise surgeries. A future that's superconductive, where lossless transmission of electricity promises efficient power. A world where the humble transistor has miniaturized technology, packing immense power into the palm of our hands. Where the discovery of the elusive Higgs boson has confirmed our understanding of mass and energy, opening up new frontiers for exploration in the cosmos. A future where quantum computing, still in its infancy, promises to outstrip our wildest imaginations in problem-solving, from cryptography to drug discovery. And the tantalizing string theory, tying it all together in a unifying framework, promises to redefine our understanding of the universe. Yes, the future is here, my friends. We're living in a world where yesterday's science fiction is today's reality. And who knows what tomorrow will bring?